I'm Phillip Konchar and I'll be your tutor. In this course, we are aiming to speed up your learning curve. I'll share with you experience gained trading the markets over the years. I know this will help you as it did thousands of other traders I taught to date. The course is split in two parts: on-demand lessons and live online workshop. On-demand lessons are delivered in three sections: the basics, how to trade, and getting started. You should take them in that particular order because each section will add layers of information you need to successfully complete the course. It will take approximately 4 to 5 hours to go through on-demand lessons and 2 hours for live online workshop. There is no set order how to take the course. You can start with on-demand lessons or live online workshop, or combine them to fit your schedule. I'll explain about the markets and different ways of trading and investing, demystify jargon and the lingo. I'll also explain how traders find opportunities, show you a couple of trading strategies you can apply easily, and share with you the 10 golden trading rules you should follow. I'll finish the course clarifying why you need to choose a good broker, show you the functionality of the typical trading platform, and help you formulate your first trading plan.